Alright, hello guys, and welcome for this new project I made. My name is Gift, and the project is called an advanced interview responder designed to assist user doing interviews by leveraging AI. Alright, it generates stellar response based on user resumes and interviewers questions, and description in real time provided and the information will be displayed on the teleprompter. Alright, and the information collects ideas from the user's resume when it depends in jobs. In terms of jobs, it collects information from the user's resumes, and then also collects the questions from the interviewer, and then combine to generate a response which will fit and suit the job description of the company. Alright, let's start by opening the project. So yeah, advanced interview responders. Alright, we are going to start by make sure you must have Python, so because the project works with Python, so you can download based on what you have. If you have Windows, you download Python for Windows, Linux, Mac, others, and then you can install. You can find a way of when you download, you can install it in your computer and then follow the next step. Once installed, you take your API. You can inside your code, you have to copy your API key and set it there. Then you have to download Vosk. Let's download our Vox model. So here are the different category of Vosk. So to know the best Vosk that suits your machine, you can go to your machine, property. Here you can obtain information about your computer, and then use it now to download the Vosk, because the Vosk will be varying based on the capacity of your computer you can use, because there are different models of Vosk which works for, like this one uses it capture high information speech from the microphone, which facilitate the translation. So here we have my computer falls in between this range, so I'm going to download this one. So the larger models are more when you have a more high performance computer of about more than 4 GB RAM. So we are going to download this model, the lighter one. So you are going to download this one. As you can see, it is downloading. Alright, now you go to your computer, download. Here's the model downloaded. Yes. Alright, now we are going to install the different libraries, but let's first clone the repository in order to start viewing the different. Copy, you go down to, you can create a folder, and let's say advanced. Alright, now here we have two methods of installing this. When the first one is when you are using when you want to create a virtual environment using Venv, and now method two is when you are working directly from your main location, from the main global where all the other variables are located. So we are going to use this other one, the second method. Alright, let's wait some seconds. Alright, now as you can see, this is advanced interview responder. Alright, now let's install our requirements. Copy this, let's wait some seconds. So it is going to install the different version and different versions of libraries that we are going to use for our program, and so that, as you can see, all the requirements satisfied. This is because I'm already having all these versions inside my computer. So this is why they say all requirements satisfied or already satisfied, because I'm having already all the different versions in my computer. So now let's open the code and start modifying. So we are going to set up our Vosk, set up our API key, set up the path of the resume, because for jobs we need the resume in order to the AI is going to use the resume in order to provide suitable and best answers that are going to match the job questions or question asked by the interviewer. So this project can not only be used in jobs, it can also be used. You can also use it in practicing meetings. You can run it on Zoom. It's going to display teleprompter on Zoom, in which only the user can see. Only the user can see and the interviewer cannot see. So it's only you seeing the text that's being displayed. So it will be only the. So alright, these are all my library being installed. So set up an API key, the path of the model. So let's go to our folder where we extracted the model. We are going to extract the model in a where we are going to run it from, which is going to, because there are different models on different languages. So you can find models that switch the language you want. So based on the language you'll be interviewing or the language you want to have a suitable response, you can choose them. They have a lot of languages. This for Japanese, Spanish, anyone. Let me show you. So you'll find a lot of languages based on the interview or the questions or answers you want to obtain. So yeah, you have different size, different performance. We have as you can see, you have Indian, you have Chinese, you have Russian, you have French, you have a lot of languages, Arabic, all you have. So you can download any model to use in the program. Alright, now let's go to our program. Go to our program. We are going to set up the path of the model. For the path of the model, we are going to extract it. So this is our model. We are going to extract it to our advanced folder where alright, then we copy the location of it. Copy location and set up in our program. Then we'll set up the API key later. Then here you can reset it to true or false in order to resize the screen of the teleprompter. Then now you can set the size of your computer. Let's go and view the size of our computer. You are going to go to setting. So inside setting, we are going to find the best size that suits the size of our computer. So here you can see the size 1366 and 768. So you set this your size of your computer here. Set the size. Set the size. $13.66 $7.68. Yes. Now Let's continue. Here now you can also change the transparency. If you want it to make it to be more transparent, you can reduce it. So if you want it to make it to be a bit dark transparent, you can increase the size of it. So if you continue moving, now let's set up the path of the resume, so that the AI can use your resume in order to generate answers. So set up your resume. Copy your resume path. You are done with the settings. Alright, now let's set our API key. My API key. Alright, so after this you can save it, then we run it. To run it now, we can follow this next step. This to run the application. See the same thing here down. You can see copy the same, see the same thing. Then we run it, we run our script. So this error is telling that you need to is not able of decoding this. So in order to solve this, you come to the code. Let me show you how to solve this problem. Come to your code section where you have your model. Let's put R in order to read the elements found in that location. So we are going to set also R here. Let's save it and come to our script and run it again. So it's trying to gather the information in order to, as you can see, it have loaded up successfully. So this is the teleprompter. So you can ask any question being asked in the interview is going to display it on here, and it's only you that can see the information being displayed and the interviewer cannot see. So you can run this app on you can run this application on Zoom or Google Meet, on any other app that we're using to perform a meeting, and it's going to display successfully. So now if they ask you any question, it's going to gather it from your resume and then provide response to that. So if I say what skills do you have for this job at Game Cloud? So see, so you can say you can give these are answers that is providing. You can use it now to explain your skills. So you can also use a pause button that to stop the prompter and easily speak what you are reading, what you are seeing, and easily. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like, subscribe, and share it. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and comment to the video. Thank you very much.